Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make money with AI ads in 2025 using Holo AI. So if you don't know, let me explain to you that this particular tool help you create the full ad campaigns from visuals to copywriting so that you can promote anything faster and start earning here. So the domain of this particular AI is tryholo.ai. You can also use the link that is given in the description. So Holo AI works by the analyzing your product or the services that you want to advertise. So when you open this tool or create your account here, you will see an option that says create a brand profile. When you add the product description, your target audience and type of ad that you want to run, Holo AI builds your brand style automatically and prepares the template for the ad creation. Then you can use the ad generator inside Holo. You can type what kind of ad you want, and then you just have to simply click on the button of adding the campaign. After selecting your platform on which you want to do it, it can be TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. So to make money, you can pair the ads with something profitable like your own product or an affiliate offer, a digital download, or a service that you are selling. Post the ads consistently, test the different variations, and track which ones are bringing you more traffic or sale. Holo's strength is speed, so that you can make dozens of ad variations in minutes, giving you more chances to find a winning campaign. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.